Hello, today we will guide you through how to remove Cloudflare from Chrome. Now, if Chrome keeps showing Cloudflare checks, cached pages, or old security prompts, one simple thing you can do is clear your browsing data. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process slowly so it's easy to follow, and we'll keep everything focused on what you need to click inside Chrome. To begin, open your browser. Make sure you're in Chrome and that the window is fully visible, so the menu options are easy to find. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the three-dot menu, which is where Chrome keeps many of its settings and browser tools. Click the three dots at the top right. This opens the main Chrome menu. From here, you'll be looking for the option to delete browsing data. This area is important because stored cache, cookies, and browsing history can sometimes cause websites or services like Cloudflare to keep behaving the same way even after you expect them to reset. Now click on Delete Browsing Data. When this window opens, Chrome will give you a few choices for how much data you want to remove. The key thing here is the time range, because if you only clear recent data, older stored site information may still remain and continue affecting how pages load. Next, click on All Time. Choosing All Time tells Chrome to remove the saved browsing data across the full history available in the browser, rather than just the last hour, day, or week. This is usually the best option when you want the most complete reset possible for website data and cached content. After selecting that, click on Delete Data. Chrome will begin removing the stored information. Depending on how much data is built up in the browser, this may take a few moments. It's a good idea to wait until the process finishes completely before continuing to browse. Once the deletion is done, Chrome should be cleared of the saved data connected to previous sessions. This can help refresh how websites load and may stop repeated Cloudflare-related prompts caused by old cached files or stored cookies. If needed, give Chrome a moment after the cleanup, then reopen the site you were trying to access and check whether the issue has improved. And that's it. You've now gone through the process to remove stored browser data in Chrome as part of removing Cloudflare-related behavior.